Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Imdadul Haq, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 7.2, question 11, 12. These two word problems I will solve in this class. Okay dear students, let us see the questions. Okay dear students, at first I will solve question 11. So see question 11 at first. What is question 11? The present age of father is 6 times of the present age of his son. After 5 years, sum of their ages will be 45 years. What are the present ages of father and son? Dear students, a condition is given and some of the ages of father and son is given. We have to find their ages individually. Okay dear students, now see solution of question 11. Dear students, we have to find the age of father and son. If we take the age of son, then it will be easy to find the age of father, as father's age is 6 times of the age of son. So at first we will consider the age of son. So we can write let the present age of son, present age of son is x years. So the present age of father is 6 into x as 6 times, so this will be 6x years. Okay dear students, now I have to see another information here. After 5 years, sum of their ages will be 45 years. Dear students, after 5 years, the age of son will increase by 5 and the age of father will increase by 5. So you can write after 5 years, the age of son will be x plus 5 years, and after 5 years the age of father will be 6x plus 5, as after 5 years the age will increase by 5. Okay dear students, now the sum of their ages after 5 years is given, that is 45. So we can say sum of x plus 5 and 6x plus 5 is 45. So we can write as per question. As per question, we can write x plus 5 plus 6x plus 5, that is 45. It means that sum of the ages of father and son will be 45. Okay dear students, now see, here is x, here is 6x, so total will be 7x. 5 and 5 will be 10. This is 45. Okay dear students, now see, here 7x we have to remove 10, so we can write here 45 minus 10, or we can write 7x equal to 35. This is 45. Now 35. Okay, we have to remove this 7, so divide both sides by 7. This will be 35 by 7. Okay dear students, now see, the value of x is 5. If we divide 35 by 7, we will get 5. Value of x is 5. What is the value of x? Value of x means the present age of son is x years. It means the present age of son is 5 years. So I can write, so the present age of son is 5 years and the present age of father is 6 times the son, 6x years, that is 30 years. Okay, dear students, so we can see our required answer for this question. What will be the required answer? What are the present ages of father and son? It means present age of son is 5, present age of father is 30. So we can write answer. Father's present age. Father's present age is 30 years. And son's present age is 5 years. Okay, dear students, I have solved question 11. I hope you have understood this question. This is a very easy question. Now I will solve question 12. Okay, dear students, now see question 12. What is question 12? Question 12 is ratio of the ages of Lisa and Shikha is 2:3. If the sum of their ages is 30 years, if the sum of their ages is 30 years, what are their individual ages? It means that we have to find their ages individually. Okay, dear students, now see here the ratio of the ages of Lisa and Shikha is given, that is 2:3. As the ratio is given, so we can take their ages. Let the age of Lisa is 2x, then the age of Shikha will be 3x. Okay, dear students, now their sum is given, that is 30. It means 2x plus 3x is equal to 30. This will be an equation. If we solve the equation, we'll get the value of x, and if we get the value of x, then we'll get the age of Lisa and Shikha. Okay, dear students, let's see the solution. Let, before writing let, we can write given. This is solution of 12, question 12. Given ratio of the ages of Lisa and Shikha is 2:3. Let the age of Lisa is 2x years and, or we can write so, the age of Shikha is 3x years. Dear students, for this type of problem, when the ratio will be given, then if you consider a common variable for both terms of the ratio, you will get the number. It means that 2x will be the age of Lisa and 3x will be the age of Shikha. If we consider x is the common multiple here. Okay, dear students, now see Here the sum of their ages is given, that is 30 years. So we can write as per the question. As per question. As per question, we can write their sum means 2x plus 3x is equal to 30. 2x plus 3x is equal to 30. So solve this now. 2x and 3x if you add, you will get 5x. You will get 5x. This means 30. So divide this now. 5x by 5. 30 by 5. Therefore value of x is 6. Value of x is 6. So the age of Lisa will be 2 into 6 and age of Shikha will be 3 into 6. So the age of Lisa is 2 multiplied by 6 years is equal to 12 years, and the age of Shikha is, this will be 3 into 6 as this is 6x years, that will be 3 6 are 18 years. Dear students, you can check your answer is correct or not. Here is 12 years, here is 18 years. Sum of this 12 and 18 is 30. Here the sum is given 30. So we can say our solution is correct. It means that age of Lisa is 12 years, age of Shikha is 18 years. So this is our required answer. So we can write Lisa's age. Lisa's age is 12 years and Shikha's age is 18 years. As we need to find their ages individually, I have determined their ages individually. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Question 11 from this lecture is given for your homework. This is your homework 31. Do this as your homework and submit your homework on next Sunday. Dear students, you know homework is very important for your annual examination, as your CT marks, diary marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. So keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.